some minimum requirements that the Australian standard points out. But again, we always use the caveat, talk to your local council, as every council we know has slightly different interpretations of those standards. But there are some very basic ones, like your minimum height is 1200 high. The gaps between the sides of the panels and the solid ground underneath it again is no more than 100 millimeters gap as well. It's going to be a self-closing gate as well, outward opening and self-closing as well. They're probably your key features, but outside of that, check with your local council.
The pool fence barrier is the number one thing that will save children's lives, and again, it's having a safe, fully operational safety barrier, and making sure that that you're checking it on a regular basis, that you've got a plan where you'll go around and regularly check it so that you're not going to lose a young one, because that is the biggest cause of loss of life in swimming pools in Australia. You would replace your fence mainly because you want that safety for your family, for your young ones, to make sure that you're not going to have any tragedies happen in your yard. And I think the point is that legislation and the changes are coming in, and the government is making it very, very strict on pool fencing. But in your heart of hearts, you've got to think, well, I might escape the government and not having a legitimate fence, but the worst outcome is a loss of life. So you really need to think about it strongly, and when you do have a faulty panel, faulty component, that you replace it straight away.